In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit read mode in WPS Office Writer. Sometimes when you open a document in WPS Office, it defaults to read mode, which is designed for easier viewing but limits your ability to edit or format the text. Exiting read mode and switching to another layout is straightforward, and I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can work on your document in the mode that suits your needs. To start, move your cursor to the bottom of your WPS Office Writer window. Here, you will see the current mode displayed, which by default is read mode. This mode is useful for reading documents without distractions, but if you need to make edits or apply formatting, you will want to switch to a different view. For example, you can select Web Layout mode, which adjusts your document to resemble a web page, making it ideal for viewing content online. Another option is Outline mode, which displays the structure of your document using headings, making it easier to navigate and organize large documents. You also have Classic mode, which is the print layout view, showing your document as it would appear when printed, providing a more traditional editing environment. If your goal is to return to the standard view for regular editing, select the Normal View option. This restores the default layout of your document, giving you full access to editing tools, formatting options, and other features. Switching between modes in WPS Office is quick, and you can change the view at any time depending on what you need to do, whether it's reading, editing, or preparing your document for printing. Using these different modes allows you to customize how you interact with your documents, making WPS Office a flexible and efficient tool for both casual reading and professional editing. By understanding how to exit read mode and select the appropriate layout, you can improve your workflow and manage documents more effectively. That's all there is to exiting read mode in WPS Office Writer. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, leave a comment letting me know if it solved your problem, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.